A virtual influencer can be one of the best ways to make money nowadays. If you can create a believable and high-quality influencer, then you can make some real money from the very first day. Today, I am going to share the method of creating a consistent influencer that can
The
talk,
story feels incredibly personal.
promote products, sing,
Thinking of you.
dance, and do all that a real influencer can. And in the end, I will share the method of making some real money from day one. Let's dive in. You can create consistent images in various ways and turn them into videos using image-to-video generators. You have to use several AI tools to do that. However, today, I am going to do all of this using only one platform called Dzine AI. It's a multimodal hub specially for content creators and designers. You can access all the popular AI models and create any kind of content. I will put the link in the description. Just grab the link and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. You will find all the popular tools and features on the dashboard. Okay, let's start creating our own influencer. I am creating a new project. Once the project is created, set the aspect ratio and then the name of the project. Now, here you can see an empty canvas. If you already have an influencer and want to create content, then you can upload the influencer image here. Otherwise, come to the text box under the canvas and type your prompt to create a new influencer. I am entering a ready prompt. If you want to create another type of content, you can upload the reference image here. Once the prompt is ready, you have to select the image generation model. You will find all the powerful models here, including Nano Banana Pro, Seed Ream 4.5, Flux 2, GPT, and more. After selecting the model, select the image resolution and then hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this image. Look at the image. This is really amazing. It looks so natural. You can't even tell it's AI generated. The texture, lighting, and all other elements are so natural. You will find several options under the image that allow you to edit the image, turn it into a video clip, create lip-sync videos, change the expression, swap faces, and enhance images. Alright, our first image is ready. Now it's time to create content with this character or image. There are two ways. You can use Nano Banana Pro, Seed Ream, or Flux to generate consistent character images by using a reference. Let's try this method. First of all, click on the plus icon from here and then select or upload the reference image. After that, enter the prompt here in this box. Once done, set the image generation model and image resolution. Once done, hit the Generate button. Within a few seconds, you will get the image. And look at the image. This is the same character we created earlier, and now it's in a different place and outfit. Here, on the left side of the page, you will find all the tools and features to create images, videos, edit them, and some other features. Today, I will use the character feature from here. On the character tab, you will find several features. However, today I will create a new character. There are two options to create a new character. You can start with a single image or train the character with multiple images. I will go with the second option. On the next page, you will find two options. Start with a description or start with an image. If you already have an influencer, then go with the second option. If you want to start from scratch, then go with the first option. Once you are on this page, set a name for the character and then enter the text prompt. Next, set the image style or the image generation model. You can also add a face as a reference. Once you are done, hit the Generate button. Within a few seconds, you will get a preview image. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can regenerate the preview image. Once you get the best result, select the image and then click on the Train Model button. Now it will take some time to train the model. So, I will fast forward the video. And here it is. Our model is ready. Now, we can generate images with this model. Once you are on the image generation page, you have to enter the text prompt here. Just type what kind of environment, action, and outfit you want. After entering the prompt, you can set the control mode. You will find several options here. After that, set the aspect ratio and style. Next, we have the content filter. You can turn on this option to create uncensored content. However, that will need a master plan. Okay, once everything is set, hit the generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The images are ready. And you can see the image quality. This is the exact character we trained earlier. And the image quality is just amazing. Now, in the same method, you can create as much content as you want. Just enter the prompt and then set all other settings, and Dzine AI will create images for you. Alright, now we can create images, but what about videos? If you want to turn any image into a video clip, just select the image and then click on the AI video option. You will be transported to the Video Generation tab, and you can see that the image has been added as the reference image. Now, you have to enter the text prompt here in this box. After entering the prompt, set the video generation model. You will find all the popular AI video models, including Kling 2.6, Seedance 1.5 Pro, Wan 2.6, Sora 2 Pro, Veo 3.1, and other latest and powerful models. Some of them are capable of generating uncensored video. That will help you grow your virtual influencer quickly. After selecting the video generation model, set all other settings like audio, duration, resolution, and others. Once done, hit the generate button and then wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready. And you can see the result.
The story feels incredibly personal and reflective. It's one of those books that just stays with you, genuinely meaningful.
This is really amazing. So, now you can create this kind of high-quality and hyper-realistic video clip with your influencer. Alright, this was how you can turn any of your influencer images into a video. What if you want to create a video clip without an image? Then come to the Reference tab from here. Now first, select the video generation model. You will find Vidu, Veo, and Kling O, one model. Once the model is selected, come to the prompt box and click on the reference option. A pop-up will appear. Here, you can select and upload any image to use as a reference. I will select our character from the Character tab. Now, we have to enter the text prompt. Exactly what we want to create with our model. After entering the prompt, set all other settings and then hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this result.
There is so much to see in Rome just by walking. I always bring my headphones. The music keeps me energized to explore these amazing streets.
And you can see that the character is the same character we trained, and it remains very consistent across the scene. I like it. Okay, now imagine I want to promote this product with our character. We can directly generate the video using the reference option. To do that, just select the character and then upload the product image. Once done, enter the text prompt and then set all other settings. Next, just hit the Generate button and then wait for some time. After waiting for some time, you will get a video clip like that.
These JBL Tune headphones are a game changer for my creative workflow. The sound quality is incredible for editing.
Another way is to generate the image first with Nano Banana Pro or any other image generation model. To do that, select the Chat Editor option from here. Now, select the character image and the product image. After that, enter the text prompt. Next, set the image generation model and other settings, and then generate the image. Once the image is ready, you can turn the image into a video clip using the AI video feature.
These headphones deliver rich sound quality that fills the room without distortion. They're lightweight, so you can wear them all day, perfect for work, calls, or just relaxing. And with easy connectivity, they're ready to go whenever you...
Here, you can notice that the latest AI can generate amazing lip-sync video with proper dialogue if you enter a detailed prompt. However, if you use an AI video generator to create the lip-sync, you won't find a consistent voiceover. Each clip might generate a different voice. To solve this issue, we will use the lip-sync tool from here. Once the lip-sync generator is selected, we have to select the image or video clip for which we want to create lip-sync. I am selecting the product image. Once the image or video is selected, you will find all the faces in the image. Select which face you want to use. You can create multi-character lip-sync using Dzine. I already made a video on it. You can watch the video from the I button. I will also put the link in the description. Once the face is selected, click here. Now, you will find a timeline like that. As we selected only one face, there is only one speaker. If you select multiple speakers, you will find multiple speakers like that. Okay, now click here to add a voiceover. Here you will find two options: text-to-speech and upload audio. If you already have the voiceover, you can upload it from here. If you want to generate a voiceover from text or script, select a voice actor from here. Once the voice actor is selected, enter the script here in this box. After that, you can select the speed. Once everything is set, hit the Generate Audio button. Once the audio is generated, select the generation mode between Normal and Pro, and then select the output quality. Okay, now hit the Generate button to create the lip sync. And here it is. The video is ready.
This is the new JBL Tune headphone. It's lightweight, comfortable, and easy to sync with any design. The noise cancellation is just amazing. If you are searching for your next music companion, choose JBL Tune.
You can see that Dzine AI creates a very realistic lip sync video with natural gestures and voice. It sounds natural and looks like it was shot with a camera. So now you can create a consistent lip sync video and promote various products to make money. This is not the end. You can create any kind of content using Dzine AI. It has a vast number of tools and features. I can't explore all of them in one single video. As today I was talking about the AI influencer maker, I only talked about some of them. I am talking about FanView. It's an AI-powered subscription-based social platform, the best alternative to OF. Here you can monetize your AI-generated or realistic content and earn money from subscriptions. It allows you to connect with your fans through messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics all in one place. To start your money-making journey with FanView, click on Sign Up here. Now you can create an account with your email or connect with your X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social accounts with FanView. And that's it. You are now a FanView creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. Alright, so now you can create a hyper-realistic influencer using Dzine AI and make money on FanView. If you also want to make some money, don't forget to try this method. I will put all the links in the description. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of content you'd like to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.